Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. I am doing a flip through of my Spring Sings digital kit. It is 50 pages, which is absolutely ginormous, and I couldn't be happier with it. Everything, and I mean everything, that one would need to make probably two beautiful journals, spring journals, can be found in these 50 pages. So I'm super excited about that. I can't wait to play with it, and I am pretty sure that you will love it too. So here we go. Let's do a flip through. I love this little birdie. You can see him throughout. The main colors are pink and green, and then there's the yellow and the blue that you can find throughout that are the complementary colors. And then throughout the whole thing, you'll also find like little splatters and paint splotches and stuff in those different colors as well. And there's lots of bunny rabbits, butterflies, and that little birdie I showed you. Couple of collage sheets. So I've got two pink papers that will work really well, obviously, with the kit. And then there's also two blue, two yellow, and two green. And then we have some beautiful handwriting, which will be really nice for just for collaging. I mean, you could even use that as a background of a tag or an envelope. And then some of the backgrounds that kind of bordered the journal pages that I just showed you, half of them have this around the border, this color, and then the other half have the green. So those are sort of the two main colors. Not all pages have them, as you saw, but a lot of them do. And so these are just some, basically just some undecorated background swatches, I guess you could say, so they can be used for making your ephemera and for framing things out. And now we get into the elements. We had a couple of pockets, tag. There's lots of stuff here, so I won't point out every single one. I'll just kind of flip through slowly here so you can see it all. This bouquet here can be fussy cutted out, folded in half, and used in the center of a signature. I love how the stamps turned out in this kit, tickets, and also the faux tea cards. It turned out really, really well. I love this envelope, journaling card. this bunny rabbit. Library card pocket and a library card. Just so pretty. I love that belly band. A little birdie. Here's some more of those faux tea cards. Another library pocket with a library card. And the title of this one is Spring Sings, which is the name of the kit. So how cool would that be to put in the beginning of your journal? Some more fussy cut flowers, butterfly. Here's another one of the faux stamps. There's so many labels, phrases, like everything that you will need to make a beautiful, absolutely stunning Spring Sings journal kit. Very, very happy with it. You have the little girl with the bunny. So sunshine is the best medicine. More ephemera, more pink butterflies, more ephemera. I love this, like a Kodiak, or Kodak, I guess, photo frame. With a little girl with her berries and her puppy dog. And I love frames. I love using them to just back and use as a journal card. I love cutting them out and using them as elements on a page or for decorating tags and journal cards. So that's why I threw those in there. Tons of words, even vertical ones. And then these phrases here in the different sizes, I also have them, it's the very last page, without the pink or the green too, so it'll work for anything that you might not want those colors. Look at like all of these numbers. Amazing. This can be printed out and used all year long. Yeah, they turned out really nice. Very happy with them. And then there's the pink. There's those phrases that are not framed with pink or green. A couple of really beautiful This Book Belongs To labels. A couple pieces of ephemera. And that is it. So that's it, you guys. That is my, oops, sorry, I used a piece of recycled paper. That is my Spring Sings 50-page printable kit. Couldn't be happier. And you can find the link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye.